everybody, Jim Williams here, rolling along on this beautiful April Sunday morning. It's about 68 degrees here in Texas. I'm cruising along Interstate 10, headed toward Houston, Texas. And you may notice that there's a lot of wind noise. Because I've got my windows rolled down. And the reason I have my windows rolled down is because my air conditioner in the cockpit is not working. I grabbed the video here just to shoot some scenes as we make our way toward Houston. If any of you are from this area, you may recognize some of the sights and sounds of the trip into Houston. So I'll be heading in and resting the rest of the day, and there you go. Trinity River. Windows back up because I couldn't even hear myself. I've always been intrigued by the exit system here in Texas. The exit runs off onto a frontage road that runs alongside the interstate, usually now. Sometimes it's different, but usually it's like this. And then in a moment you will see the entrance ramp come off of that frontage road right there as an example. There's the entrance ramp off of the frontage road. Almost every exit that I've been on in Texas on the interstate is like that. There is the exit ramp. Exit ramp goes off and connects to a frontage road, and then the frontage road has the entrance ramp back onto the interstate once you pass the road that you were getting off on. Okay, so there you go. Do any of you live in or near Houston? We're going to be taking Interstate 610 north, going up to our truck stop. And this is our exit here, 24A, McCarty Drive. Alrighty, turning on the McCarty Drive here. We have a Love's truck stop on our immediate right, and And then down the road, we have a Pilot truck stop. Pilot truck stop is where we're going because that is a company fuel stop, and I'm going to get fuel. And this Pilot houses a McDonald's restaurant. Free internet. Well, I was thinking I was going to get to park here for the rest of the day. But it looks pretty crowded. But we'll find a place. Great.